ladies and gentlemen, today I will make a traditional food recipes for my country from Greece. This recipe is a sausage with osprey. I hope you enjoy the video. I will make here an oven, something like oven, to protect the fire because I am on the mountains, as you can see. Now I am going to collect some wood to make the fire. I will show you all the process. I will do it for take the woods, for make here the oven, to prepare the food, and when I finish with the food, I will taste it. I will tell you what taste have and what textures I feel on my mouth. Okay guys, let's begin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this amount of wood I think is very many. I go now to make the oven with rocks. I will show you the process how I will do it, and then I will put the wood in the oven. I will fire up the wood and I will start to make the Greek traditional recipe. Okay guys and ladies, now the oven is ready. I will put inside the woods and I will open the fire. Okay guys and ladies, now I will put the woods inside in the oven and I will open the fire. Okay. Okay guys, I will put, I don't gonna to put all the woods in one time. I put now these woods, I wait to fire it up and then I put some other woods. And I repeated this maybe 3 times because the weather maybe going to go the fire to other sides and this is dangerous. So I'm going to do that I say to you, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was the last wood. I will wait to the fire to go down and I will start to chop the sausage and then I will put the other ingredient. Okay, see you in 5 minutes maybe. Now I'm going to chop the sausage. This sausage is traditional from Greece. It's from a city that call it Trikala. You can search it on Google to see the town that I say to you. And they make the best sausage all over the Greece. And I think it's better than the Germans sausage because they say the German sausage is the best. But I think this sausage and many other sausages from Trikala, because they have many different products, are the best around the world. You can buy from your country. If you search sausage from Greece, maybe your country have some shops that sell sausage from Greece and you are gonna taste from the Trikala if you find it, and it's very tasty. Okay, very nice. Let's chop and the other sausage. Okay, my sausages are ready. I'm going to put it in the fire to fry first the sausage, and after I will go to put all the ingredient, the traditional food from the Greece. But we have 2 traditional foods on my today recipe. Okay guys, see you in the fry in the sausage. I don't gonna to put I am not gonna to put salt or pepper because they have inside the sausage is marinated from then they produce this food. Okay, I am gonna to close now the cap, and I will wait maybe for 5 to 8 minutes to cook it. I am gonna to put out the sausage, and I'm gonna to put the other ingredient, and then we will talk again. Okay. Okay, now I will put the water inside the bowl. Okay, very nice. And I will put my other ingredient. And I will boil it for about 30 minutes, as I said before. Okay, we wait now. This is what is like the ingredient I put to boil for 30 minutes. It's very tasty and very soft when it's cooked. Okay guys, see you in 30 minutes. Okay, my food is ready. I am going to marinate the sausage with other ingredient, and I will eat it. And I will tell you what is the texture, what is the flavor, what I feel when I eat it. See you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final product. Believe me, if you're gonna to try it, it's very tasty, it's very flavorful, and you're gonna to love it. You can eat it 2 or 3 days per week without the sausages. It's very healthy food, the other ingredient, and you can marinate with onions, coriander, and sometimes with rice. Is very good. Okay, let's try it now and tell you what is my opinion for this meal. Let's try now the sausage. The taste is unbelievable. You have to try this type of sausage from Trikala. You can search on Google and find the shop in your country. Believe me, the taste is going to craze you. It's very tasty. That I have to say. You have to try it. Let me take again one more, and with the other ingredient. Guys, it's very tasty. You have to buy these 2 ingredients, only 2 ingredients. You don't want more. And you're gonna to make this recipe. You're gonna love it, guys. That's the video from me for today. Thank you for watching me. If you enjoy the video, you know what to do. See you in the next recipe, guys and ladies.